Hello chaps, welcome to my channel. Officially, my name is Abbo Beyond, and I'm a digital marketing expert, creative web designer, and a brand consultant. Basically, I create awesome websites for businesses and help them to get more clients online in 30 days or less. I currently work as a creative director at Full House Concepts. Full House Concepts is a performance-driven digital marketing agency and brand experience company. And we help to hack attention for brands using awesome content, building amazing communities, and building sustainable connection. Personally, I love to be at the center of tech, entrepreneurship, and pop culture. And I've trained over 5,000 business entrepreneurs, professional and executives to help them to build better businesses. So why this YouTube channel? This YouTube channel was designed as a vehicle to help me document and share my experiences with building better businesses, and also helping business owners and entrepreneurs to find their target audience and help them get their message across. So I want to help you to answer your questions and also bring other professionals and experts along the journey to help shine light to the dark areas of the business with their unique experiences. So let's jump right into this. How did you get your business started on social media? Yes, that's the question. How did you get started on social media for your business? What's the first thing about social media? So what is social media? So, social media is simply computer-based technology that allows you to share ideas, thoughts, and information through virtual networks and communities. So basically, computers and the internet help us to have what is currently called social media. And we have the likes of social media websites such as LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and several numerous other social networks. Okay, so why should you use social media, right? Everyone knows social media, everyone is talking about social media, so why should your business use social media? Well, the thing is, over 3.6 million people are currently experiencing social media according to the study, and that is projected to rise up to 7.6 billion people by 2025. From 2022. So what that means is that a lot of people are already on social media, and lots of people will target audience, people who do business with you. But if you're not on social media, it will be like you're a guy winking at a chick in the dark. Of course, you will do a lot of work, but not so many people will see you. In fact, she won't even get to see you. So here's the thing: get on social media with people. Here's what I'm about to share with you now. First thing to do is know your target audience. This is like the basic thing everyone tells you. So before we go into nitty-gritty on how to get started on social media, who's the on you have to have that at the back of your mind. Again, I must say this, there are several benefits of using social media, right? It helps you to reach a larger target audience and goals, people that you want to reach out to, people that you want to sell your product or services to. It helps you to have a direct connection with these people also. It helps you to have direct responses from them or feedback. It also helps you to have access to paid advertising services and also numerous reach with your organic content. It helps you to build your brand. It helps you to drive traffic to your website. It also helps you to evaluate your performance. What I mean by that is everything on social media is being measured. So whatever you do, your content, your interaction, everything is measured. So you can know where you're doing well and where you suck to complete your goal. Also, I want to add this: social media is not magic. You have to put in work. So boom, I'm on social media. Does it mean that hey, where are all the customers and they start following you? No. You have to put in work and you have to be consistent. So don't think you get on social media today, the next hour, the next minute, the next day, the next week, you get your first client and you start having tons of cash flowing to your business. No, that's not what social media is. So because of this journey, because of this YouTube channel, we're going to be sharing lots of tips, lots of ways, lots of experiences, practical ways and solutions for you to reach out to people using social media and digital marketing. Again, we get this thing all the time: digital marketing, social media. Let me try and put some perspective and shed some light on this. Social media is digital marketing, but social media is a part of digital marketing. So digital marketing is all encompassing. Digital marketing has to do with search engine optimization, search engine marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, several types of other things that are involved in digital marketing. Now, social media marketing is just a part of this numerous arsenal of tools that can help your business to get clients. Okay? So, Let me give you a few tips to get started on social media, and then we'll call it a day and see how to get more responses and what to get better using social media. The first one is when you're creating a social media account. I talked earlier about knowing your target audience. When you determine that and move past that stage, the next thing is you want to have an easily identifiable name. An easily identifiable name. So when you have a name for your business, obviously, you take that name and go to social media and create an account. Make calls in the way that you guys are content. So your business is quite separate from you. As a business owner, you should have separate email accounts, separate social media handles for your business. That's not to say if you're a personal brand, and you shouldn't have a personal brand handles and pages. But if you're a business owner, you should have a separate email account, phone numbers, and social media accounts for your business. Does that make sense? So that's clear. Okay, good. So you have a name, you go to the email account to create emails for your business, and then also to create social media accounts. The first thing I would ask or advise you to do is create a Facebook page for your business. Go to Facebook and create a page, put a name, put a profile picture, put a cover picture, and you complete the page optimization process. I'll drop a link to go to the video I will do in the future on how you can integrate a Facebook page and optimize Facebook page. So I'll move on to the next one, and this is my favorite social media, that's Twitter. And arguably, I'm going to say this here, it's arguably the best and the fastest social media. So get a Twitter account, same thing with the one I do on Facebook, create an email address, and then go to Twitter and then create Twitter account. Instagram, where everyone is living their best life and putting out the best pictures and editing and making it look like everyone is saying here. So this is one of the places where you can begin to interact with your customers and get real-time feedback in the real world. Okay, it's not in the real world. What I mean is, Instagram is a very active live platform because you get to put your images directly on this platform. Okay, and then LinkedIn. LinkedIn seems to be a social network a lot of people are afraid of. Why? This is a really great social network. People on LinkedIn tend to have this professional, really bossed up look. So that's probably why lots of people are scared of that social network. But it's a really good network for being business to business. And also B2C also. So check it out. Create social media platforms for business using this basic social network. But there are some few questions that you might have at the back of your mind. I haven't mentioned these 4 social networks, and I'm going to answer them. And if you have other questions that you feel I should answer in a subsequent video, please drop a comment in the chat below and I will respond and make a video about it. Or you can DM me on Instagram or Twitter at king_leone. Send me a question, whatever interaction or whatever challenges you have, I will make a video about it subsequently. So yeah, few questions to answer for business owners. Why? Like few questions you have for you start to do your business on social media, right? The first question you might ask is, should I be everywhere? Should I post on all social media? Should I create accounts on all social media? The answer is no. Like we started, who's your target audience? And where are those people? So when you know where your target audience is, you're able to know where to meet them and where they live. So you can create social media accounts on those platforms. So for example, you have a target audience of maybe you sell lip gloss and you want to reach out to women 18 to 22. You're better off not going to LinkedIn, you're better off going to Snapchat or Instagram. That's how we know where you want to go. So we started with your target audience. So this is going to guide you to know what social network or what social media to create and to use your content. If that makes sense. So no, you shouldn't be everywhere. The second question is, should I post every day? No, you don't have to post every day. You shouldn't have to post every day. Unless again, the target audience is a target audience that needs to be very engaged and you actually have enough content to engage them. Otherwise, you don't have to burn yourself out.
So, one other very important question that business owners always seem to have is, do I have to put my face out there? Well, some of you are shy and you don't want to do video and get yourself out there. So you ask, what? Can I go out there? The answer is no. But before we go on, I would like to point out a few things. The advantages of putting your face out there is that people get to have a higher trust for you, just to build a stronger trust for you. They tend to interact with you better. They know that you're real. And it also tends to increase the perception of your brand. So hey, those are the upsides. But if you don't want to put your face out there, you don't want to make this thing about you or put yourself out there, get yourself known, there are other alternatives to use. One of the alternatives is that you can actually get influencers to work with. So influencers can stand in as the face of your brand, they can stand as ambassadors, they can stand as just generally get people to have a face to the brand. So those people will now become the face to your brand. So you can see a lot of businesses and banks doing things in that area, having ambassadors to represent some of their chats or WhatsApp banking services. And I think it really makes a lot of sense. Also, you can have a mascot or an avatar to use as your brand face. So if you don't want to put your face out there, that's fine. Just have one of these two options. Also, most business owners are like, I'm busy, I'm too busy, I don't have the time to create content. Well, you can hire someone or maybe get a co-founder or someone like an intern to help you handle this. Or better still, you can hire an agency. I mean, we have Full House Concept here to help you. So go ahead and look for a solution that works for you, either hiring someone in your business, partnering with someone, or hiring a social media or digital marketing agency to take this work off your hands. But again, there's a final one that most people have, like this one is the one that I think trumps it all for me. Most people say, oh, I don't know how to do social media, I don't know how to use the platforms, I'm not techie, and what still, they actually say these platforms are for teenagers or younger people. I'm like, what? Really? So, actually, social media is not for teenagers, it's not for younger people, it's for everyone. And like we said in the start, knowing your target audience and where they are. So there are several places where your target audience may live or visit or reside on the social media space, right? So for example, you have a product that is a lip gloss and your target audience is 16 to 22, right? By default, the place you should go to shouldn't be LinkedIn because the environment there is a different environment for what your target audience will be interested in, and the age different, or the age grade of people there are different. So you may want to go to somewhere like Instagram or Snapchat. I don't know if that makes sense. So knowing where your target audience is will help you a lot. There's no game saying that, I have to say that, I have to be saying that. And you will hear lots of this in the future, even other videos. Yeah, so get used to social media, get used to doing it. Learn how to do it. If you're not techie, you don't know how to do it. Watch YouTube videos or go take courses online. I'm creating some courses for you in the future to help business owners and non-tech people to get started, okay? So these are a few questions that are stopping or challenging people, business owners or entrepreneurs in using social media to get started for their business. And if you have other questions that you need help with and you want me to answer them, please drop a comment below and I will make a video about it or respond to it. Or you can shoot me a DM at king_Leone. Leone is Leonne. So king_Leone, and just tell me, hey, I want you to do a video about this or ask me a question and I will respond to that. I hope that makes sense. Thank you guys so much. If you're new to the channel, which is obviously almost everyone at this point, please click the link to subscribe and drop a comment. Just feedback would be really nice to know how you enjoyed this video and even subsequent videos. So click the link to subscribe, turn on the bell and leave a comment below. Your comment is very important to me. Thank you guys so much, and it was fun for me. Subscribe to me on all my follow me on all my channels, and let's keep it locked. Thanks. Hey, thanks for staying to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please check out my other videos. Also, click the bell icon and subscribe to the channel for more information. Stay logged in.